Okay, so this is a key fob for a Honda Odyssey. I'm going to try to take the replace the battery. First thing you're going to do is push this little tab and pull the key out. Okay. Next step is you have to get to the battery case. You could use the same tool, and you're going to put the key between these two tabs and just pry it open. Batteries come out. So now next step is to take the battery off. So you see these two tabs, they're on this side, and on this side you don't have those tabs. So you have to take the battery from this side. So just take a regular screwdriver or knife, just pry it open from this side. And that's it. And the battery number is CR2032. You can get it at Walmart or Amazon. So CR2032. And to put it back, you'll just put this side in first and just push it in. Next is you gotta put this back. And put this back. So that's how you replace the battery.